So this is how you can fix character AI failing to log in. Let's go ahead and open up CAI and then tap on our profile at the top right. So as you can see, this is my profile right now. But basically what we're going to want to do is tap on the settings at the top right once again. And here we are. Here you can change your username, your display name, your bio, your persona even, and all these other things. But what you're going to want to do is simply tap on remove account. You're going to have to enter your username over here. As you can see, it says you'll lose everything. Characters associated to your account, chats, the love that we shared, likes, messages, posts, and the memories we have together. So if you're ready to let go of that, you're going to want to simply type your username and then you're going to want to sign in with your account. This should 100% work because it worked for me, but if it doesn't work, you can simply just delete this and then download it back. And you can then sign in with either your email, your Apple ID, or other accounts that you may have that you would want to sign in with Character AI. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Once again, the most simplest way is just by deleting it and then downloading it back because that would reset any kind of bugs that may be causing this problem. And downloading it back basically gives you the opportunity to get the app in pristine brand new condition. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.